Hey everybody, welcome back. Today, we're gonna work on pulling our engine out of our van. We were on a trip, okay, and went to Ohio with it in the camper to the camp over the weekend. And on the way back, it was acting up, and then we stopped to get gas. Dad started it up, starts to drive, and shuts it off because it has no oil pressure. And then we took it to the shop. They found pieces of the cam in the oil pan, so we're taking the engine out of the van and rebuilding it. So I haven't posted in like over just about a month. So quick update: soybeans are up and out of the ground. They're cultivated for the second time. Corn's cultivated for the second time, and we have tires on the green truck now. So here in the van, it has a doghouse. Pull that clip off there, which that is already. And there's like 4 screws in there, about or 10 millimeter. So we need to get those. This is gonna be very unhandy because this is tight. Give it an impact. Right in there. You guys can't really see it. Pull those guys out. There it is. There's 1. 3 more to go. Alright, so we have this piece out. That just is held in by these 4 screws, which is right here, and then you pull these guys up. Which then, from what I can tell, completely this is a doghouse. Get rid of that. That goes up there then. I guess the doghouse should move. I'm gonna put these 4 screws back in so we don't lose them. Alright, now let's see if the doghouse moves. Ooh. That is okay. So we got the doghouse off now. I had to pull the seat off in order to pull it out. And then up here, get that off, so now we can get to the engine. So this runs up, out, there. I'll show you here now. It's raining sadly. So here, this one here is that dipstick, so it runs out. And then here under this bracket. Now that's not, well, that bracket comes down to the engine there. And for this guy though, it's welded on to the bracket. But he ain't, so we'll just pull this bolt off, and all of these are free. And then we need to pry that off the engine, which runs into there. This is the power steering pump and the alternator. We're gonna go take the bracket off. Starting down here. And this guy here. That. And then this guy. Oh.
Okay. Keep going.
Didn't come as loose as I thought
There, behold that thing. I need to get that clip.
So then with bolts that we took out that don't really have a place because they slide in real far, grab a bag, drop them in. Alright, so here is the 1 bolt holding the dipstick. So here's the back end of the inside. So in order to get the doghouse off, we had to pull all these off under there, over there by the passenger. So now I'm not sure exactly what else needs done to get this exactly out, but they do. Gas is unhooked. The gas line. So, this is a really big step because this got pretty far, honestly. Just put it here in the shed today, and yeah, got pretty far for how quick we started. I think we started after lunch. And it's 9:30 o'clock at night. We're already this far. So Monday, today's Saturday. Monday we'll pull the engine out and go from there. Alright, hang on, let me check my stuff here, make sure it's good.
Get it out from underneath and it's so low.
Alright, I'm good. Make sure no lines are trapped or anything. She is down.
Sure. There's a line that's not liking us too much. Brake lines. Oh. I did not think of that. Same. But I think we'll be alright. Adrian,
Yo.
go loosen that clamp back there.